What is immune system? Immune system is a complex interaction among the cells which coordinate to protect the body from infections and diseases. The brain, the blood, the liver, the bone marrow, the lymph system, the spleen, the thymus, the skin, and some endocrine glands all work together to make up immune system. For the maintenance of good health, you should have strong immune system. For a strong immune system, your diet should be full of vitamins and minerals. Few foods that stimulate immunity are: first, carrots. Carrots are the richest source of antioxidant beta-carotene and is a powerful immunity stimulating food. This oxidant helps the body to remove free radicals and unstable molecules that causes cell damage. Carrots contain vitamin A, which keeps you away from progressive eye disease, xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia can cause night blindness. Carrots get rid of free radicals. These free radicals in your body increases the risk of various types of cancer. Carrot is a low-calorie food which keeps your sugar level in control. Potassium content in the carrot helps to relax the blood vessels, reducing the risk of high blood pressure and other cardiovascular problems. The antioxidants in carrots helps in healing wounds and keeps your body healthy. Vitamin C present in immune cells helps the body to fight diseases. Second, curd. It helps in digestion and reduces bloating and gas. Curd is very high in B vitamins. It replenishes friendly bacteria in the intestinal tract that are vital to good health. Curd is an extremely valuable immunity stimulating food. It fights against disease and is powerful protector against viruses, infections and tumor cells. Curd stimulates at least two vital components of immunity, namely nature killer cells and gamma interferon. It has been found that those who ate 450 grams of curd a day for 4 months had 5 times more infection fighting gamma interferon in their blood than non-curd eaters. Third, fruits and vegetables. Studies have shown that fruits and vegetables can boost your immune system. Fruits and vegetables have nutrients like beta-carotene, vitamin C and vitamin E that can stimulate your immune function. Many fruits and vegetables are very rich in antioxidants that reduces oxidative stress. For this, you should go for sweet potatoes, carrots, and green leafy vegetables. Fourth, garlic. Garlic has been held in high esteem for its medicinal use for centuries. It is an effective detoxifier of blood and lymph in the body. It dilates the peripheral blood vessels, resulting in lowering of blood pressure. It is one of the most powerful natural antibiotics and antiseptics known to the man. Garlic cures intestinal and lung disorders, worms, skin diseases, wounds, and slows down aging. Garlic greatly helps to stimulate immune functioning. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. It also enhances immune system. Little amount, even a half clove of garlic, results in an increase in natural killer cell activity. Fifth, low-fat foods. Intake of wrong type of fats weakens immune system. Excessive fat impairs natural killer cell activity. Limiting to dietary fat helps in strengthening immune defenses. The vitality of the immune system also depends on the type of fat. Fish oil containing omega-3 fatty acids strengthen immune system. Vegetable polyunsaturated fats called omega-3 fatty acids contained in corns, safflower and sunflower seed are the best. The immune system relies on white blood cells that produce antibodies to combat bacteria, viruses and other invaders. Vegetarians have more white blood cells compared to non-vegetarians. Sixth, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables provide nutrients like beta-carotene, vitamin C and vitamin E, which boosts immune system, and antioxidants present in them reduce oxidative stress. Sources of beta-carotene are sweet potatoes, carrots and green leafy vegetables. Sources of vitamin C are red peppers, oranges, strawberries, broccoli, mangoes, lemons, etc. Vitamin E sources are nuts, seeds, spinach and broccoli. Food sources of vitamin D include fortified cereals and plant-based milks and supplements. Zinc sources are nuts, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, beans and lentils. Zinc-rich foods can enhance immunity function. This mineral helps in increasing many aspects of immunity, including production of antibodies and T cells, as well as other white blood cell activity. Seventh, mushroom. Shiitake mushrooms have power of healing. They help the immune system to fight and prevent cancer. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.